While we were exploring the page transition, we only discussed about animation and the secondary animation which we were getting from the transitions builder, but not the animation and the secondary animation from the page builder. So what's the use of these two? These two are used to animate the items of the page on which we are going to navigate. So let me show you an example. So what I want to do, I want to animate this text button. I want to bring this text button from the left hand side of the screen. So for this, what we need to do, we need to first create a animation object. Now we can use it here, and now we can pass this animation to the second page. Now we need to wrap our text button with the animated filter. So we only need to animate the offset. There's no need to create a new instance of the text button. For this, we can pass this text button to the child property. Now we can use fractional translation. Why we are using fractional translation? Because we are not aware of the height and width of the text button. It's always better to work with the translation. And this translation is basically offset. For this, we can create a tween. And this tween will have offset, and the initial offset would be -2, 0, and the ending offset would be offset dot 0. So why I have used offset dot 0 here? Because it means the original position of the text button, or we can say final position. And now we need to use animate method. And we can use animation, and we can use value. Also, we need to provide the child which we are getting from here. So let me hot restart. So now if I click here, as you can see, it came into the scene very quickly. So to fix this, what we can do, in the first half, we are going to bring the whole page into the screen. For this, we can use curve tween, and we will add interval. Beginning value would be 0, comma 0.5. And as we are aware of, by default, all the intervals have linear curve. So here we are going to add a curve tween, which will have a starting interval value would be 0.5 and the ending interval value would be 1. The whole page will first come into the screen, and then the text will start to move. Let's increase the duration. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about Flutter, you can subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.